Standard 9, Science 1, Practical. Let us study and understand about what is pH, how to identify pH of the solution. For that, we need to study about the nature of acids and bases. Now we will see the basic difference between what is an acid and what is a base. Acid. Acid is sour to taste, whereas bases are bitter to taste. Acid give H plus ions as basic radicals in the molecule, whereas bases give OH minus ions as acidic radicals in the molecule. Acids do not feel slippery to touch, whereas bases feel slippery or soapy to touch. Acid converts the blue litmus paper into red when dipped in its solution. Bases convert the red litmus paper into blue when dipped in its solution. So here is the basic difference between an acid and base depending upon its nature. Now we will discuss about classification of acids. Acids are classified into strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid dissociates almost completely on dissolving in water, and the resulting aqueous solution contains mainly H plus ions and the concerned acidic radical. Example: hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. Weak acid does not dissociate completely on dissolving in water, and the resulting aqueous solution contains mainly H plus ions and the concerned acidic radical in small proportion, along with large proportion of the undissociated molecules of the acid. Example: carbonic acid, acetic acid. Classification of bases. Bases are also classified into strong base and weak base. Strong base dissociates almost completely on dissolving in water, and the resulting aqueous solution contains mainly OH minus ions and the concerned basic radical. Example: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, sodium oxide. Weak base does not dissociate completely on dissolving in water, and the resulting aqueous solution contains small proportion of OH minus ions and the concerned basic radical, along with large proportion of the undissociated molecules of the base. Example: ammonium hydroxide. Now we will discuss about what is pH. In chemistry, pH is a scale used to specify how acidic or basic a water-based solution is. In 1909, the Danish scientist Sorensen introduced a convenient new scale of expressing H plus ion concentration, which is found to be very useful in chemical and biochemical processes. It is the pH scale. pH is nothing but power of hydrogen. In the picture given below, you can see the pH paper, which is used to identify pH of different solutions. How to identify pH of the solution? Acidic solutions have a lower pH, while basic solutions have a higher pH. At room temperature, pure water is neither acidic nor basic and has a pH of 7. pH value ranges from 0 to 14. Universal indicator is used to identify pH of the solution. In the picture given below, you can see the different colors given by the pH paper depending upon the acidity or basicity of the solution. It means when the solution will be highly acidic, the pH paper will show the pH of 1, 2, 3, and when it will turn into less acidic solution, it will give the following colors given by 4, 5, 6. At neutral pH, it will be 7. When the solution will be highly basic, it will show the pH of 12, 13, 14. Which means on the extreme left hand side, the pH of the solution will be highly acidic, and on the extreme right hand side, the pH will be highly basic or alkaline. Here are the following substances given below, and we have to classify it according to the pH of the solution. The picture shown below tells us about the pH of the different solution, that is acidic or basic. Basic solution is also called as alkaline solution. So if the pH paper turns into red, yellow or orange as given below when dipped in acidic solution, it will show different colors depending upon its concentration. When the pH is highly acidic, it will show dark color. When the pH will be less acidic, it will show light color. pH paper turns into light blue, dark blue or purple when dipped in basic solution, which means that when the pH will be highly basic, it will show the pH of 12, 13 or 14. At 14, it will be the strong base, which means that when the pH will be highly basic, it will show very dark color, which is given below on the extreme right hand side. In the pH scale, the pH of solutions varies from 0 to 14 as we have seen, depending upon the strength of the acid or base. Now to show these variations in pH, a universal indicator is used. Now here the universal indicator is nothing but our pH paper, which you can see in the diagram given below. pH meter is an instrument which is used to identify pH of the solution. That is also given in the diagram. pH of some common aqueous solutions are given. You can see that strong acids, that is 1 molar HCl, has a pH of 0. That means it is very acidic and it is on the extreme top. Whereas 1 molar NaOH has a pH of 14. It means it is highly basic and it is at the extreme bottom. And in between you can see the pH of different aqueous solutions. Thank you.